When precision and efficiency matter, the best tile saw for professional use delivers unmatched performance and clean cuts every time. Built for durability and accuracy, it handles large tiles and repeated use with ease, making every project smoother and faster. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SKIL 7-inch Tile Saw. The SKIL 7-inch Tile Saw is a reliable choice for professionals seeking precision in small to medium tile projects. Its corrosion-resistant stainless steel top can accommodate tiles up to 12 by 12 inches, providing a stable and durable cutting surface that stands up to repeated use. The adjustable rip fence with miter gauge ensures accurate, straight, and miter cuts, allowing professionals to achieve precise angles and repeatable results with ease. A standout feature is its blade cooling water reservoir, which keeps the blade cool during extended cutting sessions while minimizing dust and debris in the work area. Lightweight yet durable, the SKIL saw balances portability with stability, making it ideal for on-site work or small workshop environments. Its combination of affordability, ease of use, and professional-grade features makes it an excellent option for both occasional and regular tile cutting tasks. Whether working on ceramic, porcelain, or natural stone tiles, this saw delivers consistent, clean results that meet professional standards. Number 2. DEWALT Wet Tile Saw. The DEWALT Wet Tile Saw is engineered for professionals who demand precision and efficiency in large-scale tile projects. Equipped with a cut line indicator, rigid frame, and stainless steel rollers, it ensures cutting accuracy to within 1/32 of an inch over long cuts, making it ideal for precise layout work. The saw's 37-inch rip cut capacity, extendable to 41 inches with the plunge feature, allows it to handle large tiles effortlessly, while the 18-inch clearance to the left of the blade provides flexibility when ripping tiles in half. Integrated water tray system fully contains tiles up to 24 by 24 inches or 18 by 36 inches, keeping the work area clean and reducing dust and debris. Professionals appreciate the combination of precision, power, and user-friendly design, which streamlines cutting tasks while minimizing cleanup and maximizing accuracy. This DEWALT saw is ideal for contractors or serious DIYers who require professional performance and long-term reliability on site. Number 3. Porter PCE 980 Tile Saw. The Porter PCE 980 Tile Saw is designed for professionals who need portability and accurate performance in a compact package. It comes with an onboard miter square, which allows users to line up miter cuts and execute repeatable rip cuts with confidence. Its roll cage design offers both easy carrying and protection of the cutting cart, making it ideal for job sites where mobility is essential. The splash guard is a practical feature that keeps water from spraying onto the operator, enhancing safety and comfort during use. Makes it a versatile tool for contractors and tile installers who need reliable performance without sacrificing mobility. The Porter PCE 980 is particularly suited for smaller projects or locations with limited space, offering precise, clean cuts while maintaining efficiency and convenience. For professionals who require a dependable, lightweight saw that can be transported easily, this model provides an excellent combination of accuracy, durability, and ease of use, making tile cutting faster and more precise on any job site. Number 4. The RYOBI 7-inch Tile Saw. The RYOBI 7-inch Tile Saw is designed for professionals and serious DIYers seeking a dependable, compact saw for precise tile cutting. The saw comes brand new in the box with all relevant accessories included, ensuring users can begin cutting immediately without the need for additional purchases. One of its standout features is the brass water regulator, which allows precise control of water flow during use, keeping the blade cool and reducing dust and debris for a cleaner work environment. Lightweight yet durable, this saw is easy to transport and set up on site or in a workshop.
Its design emphasizes safety, convenience, and user comfort without sacrificing cutting power or accuracy. Ideal for smaller projects or professional use where portability and reliable performance are critical, the RYOBI 7-inch tile saw combines affordability with professional functionality. For tile installers or contractors working in varied environments, this saw provides clean, precise cuts and consistent results while being simple to operate and maintain, making it a practical addition to any toolkit.
Number 5. VEVOR 4500 RPM Tile Saw. The VEVOR 4500 RPM tile saw is a high-performance option for professionals tackling large or demanding tile projects. With adjustable cutting angles from 0 to 45 degrees, marked at 0 degrees, 22.5 degrees, and 45 degrees, the saw provides versatility for bevel and decorative cuts. Its maximum cutting depth of 3.75 inches and tile capacity of 36 inches allow it to handle floor tiles, ceramic, porcelain, and natural stone with ease, reducing vibration and providing a secure cutting platform, while the protective shell prevents accidental contact with the blade during high-speed operation. The combination of power, precision, and safety features makes this VEVOR tile saw ideal for contractors, tile installers, or any professional needing reliable performance on site. With its focus on accuracy, dust control, and versatility, this saw meets the demands of professional tile cutting, whether for flooring, walls, or custom installations, offering both efficiency and consistent high-quality results. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.